Good morning, children. I hope all are safe and fine. Let's continue with the lesson on agriculture. Today, let us see about the variety of crops that are grown in our country. We have cereal, then we have pulses, oil seeds are there, fiber crops are there. To add on, we have even beverage crops and we have cash crops. Okay, now let's see what is the cereal crops. In cereal crops, we are including all the the grass which are grass which are producing grains, and in this we are including rice. We do include wheat, maize, millets, and pulses also. Moving on to the second one, we are talking about pulses. These are all edible seeds. You know that you have been consuming different types of dals or different types of pulp that is included in pulses. You have learned in biology also. So I can say that it includes all the pea families. Okay, pulses includes pea families. Oil seeds, very well know that in this we are including groundnuts, we are including mustard, coconut, seasmin, then we have soya beans, we have linseed and sunflower. Okay, then about the fiber crops, we have cotton and jute. Beverage crops, in beverage crops examples you very well know, you're very fond of it also, tea and coffee is included. Cash crops are the ones which really brings in inflow of money into our country, and in this agriculture is being done in a large scale, large plots of land or acres of land. We have example sugarcane, tobacco, spices. We have not only that, we are also including fruits and vegetables. Okay, now in detail we have to learn about each type of crops. Talking about the cereal crops, you very well know that three-fourth of the total cropped areas in our country is occupied by the cereal crops. Which examples we are including: rice, wheat, millets, maize, and even pulses also. Okay, now let us study in detail about the variety of cereal crops. You have to not only know the temperature required, you have to know the rainfall, the quantity of rainfall required, and also you have to know which part of India it is being cultivated. Let's talk about this rice. I'll just tell you, little bit. I'll tell you. Rest you'll have to read from the textbook. Rice, it requires temperature 20 to 27 degrees, whereas in the textbook it is given 25, no doubt. But we can say specifically that it requires a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall, it requires 100 centimeter of rainfall, above 100 centimeter of rainfall. And which part of India it is being cultivated? You have in the northern plains, in the northeastern part of our country, and also we have coastal areas and deltic regions. Cultivation of rice takes place. Okay, so I hope you got a little bit idea about the variety of crops that are grown